If you want to turn on or off Do Not Disturb mode on the Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you will have to open the settings and navigate into the notifications settings. Next, the Do Not Disturb mode will be available at the bottom of the list. And now, of course, to turn it on and off, you have to click on this switcher, and we can find that option that it will ask us every time for how long we want to turn it off. We can set specific time, for example, for 4 hours, or until we turn it off manually. And you can set a schedule or change that option. So instead of ask every time, you will be always get until you turn it off manually. And as I said before, you can set different schedules. You can also allow some things during the Do Not Disturb mode, like calls from specific contacts or messages. The same, you can allow notifications from specific apps, or for example alarms. So that's how it actually looks. I hope you find it useful.